Today it's time for some cozy Christmas baking in our kitchen. Jörg and I are making 3 different kinds of Christmas biscuits, in German Weihnachtsplätzchen, that are very, very popular in Germany. Vanillekipferl, then of course Zimtsterne, and last but not least, Linzer Plätzchen. Well, who can resist during the festive season? And a big hello from our kitchen.
Hello.
I think Jörg is already very excited.
Yes, I am.
Because we're going to make Vanillekipferl first, which are so popular in Germany.
Yes, I love them.
Yes, I think Jörg has huge childhood memories.
Yeah, my mother always made them.
Yeah, and these ones will be for you only. I'm excited because I think the kitchen will smell very Christmassy.
Yes, it will smell like childhood memories.
Yes, I think so too. Okay, let's start with the dough first because I think it's quite easy.
Yeah.
So this is what the end result will look like.
We hope.
We hope so, yes. And so this is what you need. This is regular flour because we decided to just use regular flour. This will definitely work. And butter, 2 egg yolks, then almonds, a little bit of sugar, and last but not least, a pinch of salt. And Jörg and I will translate the recipes for you, so you will find everything down below in the info box in case you want to bake the Plätzchen. So, what you have to do now is just put all your ingredients into a bowl. And now start kneading. This should be quite quick, I think. This looks very good now. Nice, very smooth. Now take your Vanillekipferl dough and let me see. And I cut the dough into 3 pieces and then kind of create rolls, a little bit like a sausage roll without the sausage. And then these rolls have to be in the fridge for about an hour. So we have 3 rolls now. I cover them with cling film and then put that into the fridge for an hour. It's time to make our Vanillekipferl. I think you can't wait, to be honest.
No.
Okay. Now this is very cool, which is perfect. Now, I cut slices of about 1 centimeter. Looks good. I think this is good. We'll see. And then I roll it, and then this is huge, Jörg. This is a huge Vanillekipferl, don't you think?
That's nice. Yeah.
We'll see. Well, I think they will get better. You think?
Yeah, excellent.
We'll see. They basically look like mini croissants.
Yeah, or mini bananas.
Or mini bananas, yeah. And this goes into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. And I think they are going to be very big. But why not?
So when the vanillekipferl are ready,
Yeah.
they will be battered in a mixture of icing sugar and we call it vanillinzucker,
Yeah.
which is simply sugar with vanilla flavor.
Yeah, we brought it from
Yeah.
Germany.
You can also use a vanilla pot.
Yeah, with sugar and
Yeah.
mix it yourself. Yeah. So we're preparing that now.
Because the first batch is already ready.
Yes.
Look.
I think they look good.
Uh-huh.
Especially the ones you made.
Now I'm taking the hot vanillekipferl because they're still hot, and I'm battering them in sugar.
Yes. Looks very good. And the vanillekipferl are done.
And they're delicious.
Are they?
Mm.
Yeah, you just had one. And now we will continue with the Linzer Plätzchen. And I'm so looking forward to tea time. This will be a real treat. On to the next Plätzchen.
Yeah, Linzer Plätzchen.
And they look like this. I can't wait.
And to share the burden with Kirsten, we'll try them.
I don't think this is a burden because this will be a feast in the end.
Yeah, it's a big responsibility.
And this is what you need.
Yeah.
Almonds, flour, and we're using gluten-free flour for this one. Salt, butter. This is icing sugar. And it says, the recipe says 2 egg yolks, but our eggs are quite small, so we said 3. And vanilla pod.
And now just put everything into a bowl.
The same as with the Vanillekipferl.
And now just knead everything. And that will take a while.
Yes. Looks good.
Yes, and you can see all the vanilla.
I think this will be very good.
Yeah.
And also this has to go into the fridge for a couple of hours. Yeah. So this is the dough for the Linzer Plätzchen and we just cut it in half. And Linzer Plätzchen consists of 2 parts. So this is the lower part and this is what we will bake first, right?
Yeah.
And then the part with different designs. So these ones have to bake for 7 to 9 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. now we have to make a slight alteration with the Linzer Plätzchen.
Yeah.
Because the recipe says we should use raspberry jelly.
Yeah, but we only could get raspberry jam.
Yeah, we couldn't find the jelly we needed, but I think it will be fine.
It will be fine.
Yeah, let's hope so. So this is the jam we're using. Raspberry jam. And I'm taking 2 tablespoons and warm this up a little bit. And now sprinkle with icing sugar. And I think they look lovely, don't they? Am I allowed to try one?
Try.
Very nice. Did you have one, Jörg?
Yep.
Want another one? And now, on to my ultimate favourite German Christmas biscuits. Zimtsterne, cinnamon stars. And they look like this. And I've loved them since I was a child. I think you're not too mad about them, Jörg, are you?
No.
So Jörg prefers Vanillekipferl, but Zimtsterne has to be in the top 3 German Christmas biscuits, we think. And for the Zimtsterne, you need ground almonds, egg white, then icing sugar, and of course, cinnamon. And as you can see, our icing sugar is quite crumbly, so I'm using a sieve to make it a little bit finer. On to the next step, and now I'm beating the egg whites. Now I'm putting this mixture into a bowl. I'm adding the almonds and the cinnamon. I just slowly mix everything together. So this is a little bit more like a batter than a dough, and I covered a small plate with cling film. Put this on top, cover with cling film, and then this is ready to go into the fridge.
Yeah.
And now it's time for the cinnamon stars, Zimtsterne. And for that, we sprinkle a bit of almonds onto the work surface. And now take your star mold. Have to be very careful because it's quite sticky. So these are our Zimtsterne,
Yeah.
and as you can see, they are quite big. They're actually huge.
Yeah, they're mega Sterne.
Yes, they are. And that's why we don't have too many. And now they get some kind of coating. So I'm going to beat an egg white, then add icing sugar, and then I'm going to use a brush and brush the top with this. this probably wouldn't win an art award, but I think it's okay. And this goes into the oven for 15 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. And then we're done. It's now 4:15 and we started at 10 o'clock. And to be honest, I didn't expect it to last that long, but it takes a lot of time, which is fine. And these are the cinnamon stars. What do you think, Jörg?
They look good.
Really?
Yes.
I don't know.
They're big.
They are very big, but yeah, I think they will be good though.
Yeah.
We should try one. So, made with love.
Yeah.
This is what we baked today. It's a lot, I think. But you know what, Jörg? You have to try the cinnamon star. I hope it's all right.
Mm.
Is it good?
Mm.
Let me try it. It's good. But the funny thing is, although we used even more cinnamon than the recipe said, it could have even more. It could have more, so this is what we will put in the description box. We will just add a bit more cinnamon because it could do with more. That's so strange. But other than that, really, really good. Very nice. And it's actually not too sweet, I think. Not too sweet. That's good. And Jörg has to open his advent calendar. Did you find the door? 5th? Yeah? I'd like to see what's inside. Yeah, that's so difficult, I know. I always struggle as well. 2 hearts. I have 2 hearts as well. I love it. So this one is from Kneat, which is very good. It's very big, and this is what was inside today. 2 marzipan hearts. Very good. We're done. And I think very literally,
Yeah.
we are quite tired, to be honest. It took all day, but it's fine.
Yes.
You have a lot of sweet treats
Yeah.
to take to the office with you, so
Yeah.
that's good. Well, we hope you like this video, so we'll see you again very soon, and take care. And until next time,
Bye.
bye.
Bye-bye.